2D navigation in visTABLE Touch. visTABLE was originally designed for intuitive touch-based planning, bringing the flexibility of paper-based layout to the digital world. It works differently than some traditional CAD software. There's no right-click or double-click function. Instead, everything responds to direct actions. Let's start with the navigation. The pan function allows for easy navigation within the layout. Click the middle button of your mouse to move the layout in the direction of your cursor. To zoom in and out of the layout, rotate the mouse wheel. The center of the zoom always depends on the position of your cursor. When you select an object, the dynamic menu with relevant functions appears on the left. Think of it as your context-sensitive control panel. To move an object within the layout, first click on the object and use the mouse to place it. Another way to change position is with your keyboard. After selecting the object, you move it 1 cm with the arrow keys, 10 cm with shift and arrow keys, and 1 meter with control and arrow keys. Rotate the object by clicking on the rotate button above it. Select the rotating angle with the mouse. The closer the cursor is to the object, the larger the rotating angle. Need to resize? Just grab the corners or a side. Hold Shift to scale proportionally. Up top, the Undo button quickly corrects any mistakes. Finally, use the Zoom tool in the bottom right. If nothing is selected, it will zoom to the entire layout. If an object is selected, it will zoom to this selection.